Hi everyone, welcome to Techno Hacks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Garena Free Fire on PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to download Garena Free Fire on your PC, you first need to download an Android emulator. Simply go ahead and download an Android emulator. If you don't have an Android emulator downloaded yet, open up a web browser, go to the URL box and type in www.bluestacks.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the official website of BlueStacks, go and click on the download links available on the left hand side of the screen. Follow the on-screen prompts and download the emulator on your PC, and once you have the emulator installed, click it open. Once you open up your BlueStacks, go and click on this Google Play button. In order to open up Google Play on your PC, wait until your BlueStacks app player launches open. You'll need to log in with your Google account's credential to open up this app player for BlueStacks, which will get you access to all of the applications out there on your Play Store for Androids. Now, go to the search box and type in Garena Free Fire and search. Go ahead and install the application that says Garena Free Fire over here that should be displayed on the screen. Click on the install button right next to it to download the application. Now wait until your application gets downloaded. Garena Free Fire is the world's famous survival shooter game available on mobile devices. If you want to download it and get started with it on your PC, then you can simply download it with the help of your Android emulator. Once the installation process is completed, click on the play button in order to play your game. That is how you can easily download Garena Free Fire on your PC. You'll be able to find the application shortcut on your desktop. That way you can easily download Garena Free Fire on PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.